Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Cash App transaction history. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Cash App application and log into your account. And once you are logged in using your credentials, from the home page, tap on the account icon at the top right corner. Now from the account menu, tap on Help and Support, and then from the Help menu, go ahead and tap on Something Else. Now from this page, tap on Account Settings, and now you will see the Delete Your Personal Information option. Go ahead and tap on this, and you will see the instructions that you can follow in order to delete your personal history. You are told within the instructions that if you wish to permanently delete your account or your personal information, you will need to tap on Contact Support. So go ahead and tap on Contact Support, and then from the Contact Support menu, you can send an email to the Cash App team, letting them know that you wish to delete your transaction history. Once you send your support email, you will receive the response within a few days, which you can follow in order to delete your transaction history on Cash App. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your transaction history on the Cash App application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.